Welcome to English Listening Podcast 365, the channel that turns your quiet struggle into confident English conversations. I'm Emma Lane, your English confidence coach. Maybe you've been learning English for months, even years, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Don't worry, you're not alone. Here, we don't just study grammar or memorize words. We build your speaking confidence from the inside out. Every video is designed to help you speak naturally, feel brave, and finally enjoy using English in real life. So relax, smile, and let's start this exciting journey together every single day on English Listening Podcast 365. I share something that will move you closer to fluency, real-life conversations, practical methods, and daily motivation to keep you speaking with confidence. This is not about boring lessons. It's about learning to live with English. If this is your first time here, don't just watch, join our community. Hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell so you never miss a chance to grow your confidence. Every day is a new step, a new word, a new aha moment. Let's keep learning together one day at a time. And today's episode, it's going to completely change how you think about learning English forever. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and if you have your headphones nearby, put them on. Today isn't just another English lesson. It's a mindset shift. You're about to learn the real secret to making English feel easy, natural, and even fun. Forget the fear, forget the pressure. This is your moment to relax, listen, and grow. Ready to see English in a whole new way. Let's dive in and unlock your confidence one sentence at a time. I know exactly how you feel. You study English every single day. You learn new words. You practice grammar. You listen to videos. But when someone suddenly talks to you in English, you freeze. Your mind goes completely blank. You know the words, but they just won't come out. Then that little voice in your head whispers, "I'm not good at English," and you start to lose confidence. Maybe you worry that people will laugh at your mistakes or that you'll sound silly. My friend, I understand you truly. I was exactly the same. I remember the fear, the embarrassment, the frustration. But here's the truth. The problem isn't you. The problem isn't your brain. It's that tiny voice of fear that keeps you silent. And today, we're going to silence it together. The real problem isn't your brain. It's not your ability. It's fear. Simple, sneaky fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of not being good enough. But think about it. How did you learn to walk? When you were a baby, you fell hundreds of times. Did you stop trying? No. You stood up again and again until you walked perfectly. Learning English is exactly the same. Every mistake is just a step forward. So from today, stop fighting fear. Smile at it, learn from it, and keep walking toward your confident English self. Mistakes are not bad. They're your teachers. Every time you make one, your brain learns, grows, and gets stronger. So from now on, change the way you talk to yourself. Don't say my English is bad. Say I'm learning every day. Don't say I can't speak English. Say I'm getting better. The words you choose shape the way you think and the way you learn. Your thoughts have power. When you think positively, English becomes easier, lighter, more natural. Repeat after me. English is easy. I can do this. I'm improving every single day. Feel that energy. That's confidence growing inside you. Now, let me share 3 simple methods that will completely change how you practice English. Method 1, start very small. Don't try to have long conversations. That's too heavy for your brain at the start. Just begin with one short sentence. When you wake up, say, "Good morning." When you eat, say, "This food is good." When you go outside, say, "Nice weather today." One English sentence. Each hour, that's enough. Your brain will slowly get comfortable with English sounds and rhythm. Method 2. Copy like a child. Children learn by listening and repeating. When you watch English videos, don't just understand, imitate. Copy the sound, the rhythm, the emotion. Don't worry about sounding perfect. If you hear, "How are you?" just echo it back, "How are you?" Feel the energy of real English. Method 3. Be your own teacher. Look in the mirror and talk to yourself. "Hello, how are you today?" Answer yourself. "I'm great, thank you." It may feel funny, but it works. You'll practice without fear, without judgment, and build real confidence. Start today small, simple, and strong. Your confidence will grow with every word you say. English shouldn't be something you study only during lesson time. It should be part of your life. From the moment you wake up, try thinking in English. Say to yourself, "I need to brush my teeth," or "I want coffee." When you see things around you, name them in English: tree, car, dog, bird. The more you do this, the more your brain starts to think in English naturally. When you go shopping, practice short, simple sentences. "How much is this?" "Thank you." "Have a nice day." When you talk with friends, try mixing in a few English words. "This movie is very good." Or, "I'm tired today." Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on expressing yourself. And before you sleep, take a moment to reflect in English. Think, "Today was good. Tomorrow will be better." Start with just 5 minutes a day, then increase to 10. Soon, English won't feel like a subject. It'll feel like part of who you are. Every thought, every small sentence brings you closer to fluency. Make English your daily habit, your daily rhythm, and your daily joy. Here's a truth. Most learners forget. Even native speakers make mistakes. They miss words. They mix grammar. They say things wrong all the time. But do they stop speaking? Never. When you make a mistake, don't panic. Just smile, breathe, and keep going. People aren't judging you, they're trying to understand you, and most of them want to help. Remember, confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from practice. Every time you speak, you're training your voice, your brain, your courage. So, speak proudly, make mistakes proudly, because that's how real fluency is built. Success in English isn't about perfect grammar or big words. It's about communication. If people understand your message, you've already succeeded. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to express yourself clearly and confidently. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday, not to anyone else. Every small step counts. Some days words will flow easily. Other days you'll struggle, and that's completely normal. Progress is never a straight line. The secret is to keep going even when it feels tough. Each mistake, each effort, each word you speak moves you forward. So celebrate your progress, stay patient, and never give up. You're not chasing perfection. You're becoming a confident communicator. And that's real success. English can change your life. It opens doors to new opportunities, friendships, and experiences you've never imagined. But here's the truth. Your journey starts today. Not tomorrow, not someday today. Start small. Say 1 English sentence. Tomorrow, say 2. Next week, have a short conversation. Every word you speak is a victory. Believe in yourself. Everything you need is already inside you. Don't wait for perfect conditions. They'll never come. Just start where you are, with what you have. Take your phone, record yourself speaking English for 30 seconds. Talk about your day, your dreams, anything. You'll be amazed by how fast you grow. Remember my words. You can do this. Your confident English-speaking future starts now. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when speaking English? Is it fear pronunciation or finding the right words? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one, and I'll create new lessons to help you personally. Remember, your English journey doesn't end today. It continues tomorrow and the day after that, and I'll be right here with you every step of the way. Keep practicing, keep believing, and never stop speaking. Because every word you say brings you closer to the confident English speaker you're becoming. Don't give up. Your future, fearless, fluent self is already waiting for you. So, smile, take a deep breath, and keep going. Your English adventure continues.